Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to apply effects to your picture on the Photoshop application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on the home button down below on the left side corner and click on photo editor. Then you should tap on keep current selection or select photo and tap on the picture that you would like to edit. Here you should tap on the adjustment button down below, which is the second option in the left side corner of the screen, and then click on the effects option below the slide. Here you have a bunch of effects that you can apply to your picture, such as texture. You can adjust it by the help of this slide in the middle of the screen. You can apply clarity, the haze, you can fade the picture, and also use the grain effect. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.